Hey, it's Dan, the creator of Mudmap here, and in this video we're going to go through how to register and connect a new device to Mudmap. From the home screen, which is what we're looking at here, we want to go to the Device Registration tab on the left-hand side here. Clicking that will take us to this page where we can add and view inactive connections. We want to add a new device. Today we're adding a pfSense version 2.6 device that's in stock. I drop in the IP address for that device, and if needed, I can update the SSH and GUI ports, as well as the version. It's version 2.6, so I need to select that. I also need to acknowledge that this is a Community Edition version. And if you need to understand why, please go to this link here. I'll click Save, and I'll get a notification saying that it's been added to Mudmap. It now appears in the inactive connections, meaning we cannot yet connect to it. It's not being charged against our account. We can have an unlimited number of these. There's no issues here. This looks all good, so I don't need to update. And obviously I don't want to delete it. I want to activate it. You'll be prompted with a root password for the device. This is not stored in the database, and it's only used to make the initial connection. So I'm going to type in mine. It'll make a connection, and just to ensure that the password is correct. It's all good, and we get that notification. So let's proceed, where we're going to install a third-party package, the API, onto the firewall. Now this may take some time, and it depends on latency, but it shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. While this is happening, I'll explain the process. It makes an SSH connection to the device and installs a third-party or public open source package, which provides an API to a number of endpoints. And that's what Mudmap uses to be able to talk to and present the data from the device on our hosted platform. We get a notification that it's succeeded. If it didn't succeed, you'll get a notification as well with a link to the documentation. Please refer to that if there is issue. Clicking OK, we can now see that it's dropped off the inactive connections, and it will be on our home screen or the device's all page. Let's look at the home screen. You can now see that I've added the Stockholm firewall, and we can view it. View device, and now it's going to make the first connection and start pulling information off of it. And there we are. Thanks for watching the video.